Ekaro, Ututuoma.
Area, my people.
Obo, we are Nigeria.
Good
morning. And there are so many things to love about Nigeria.
I like that we're very, very bold and colorful people.
Our culture and tradition, and the fact that we are a very conservative society, even with the influence of the Western world.
We are so resilient, we are very hardworking, and we do not give up. We try to excel in anywhere we find ourselves.
Irrespective of what we are facing on a daily basis, we are actually happy. We love one another.
There are a lot of problems to be solved, and that gives us opportunity to express our talent and to make money for ourselves. Anyone that can think deep and prefer solution to any problem around him will definitely make it in this nation.
Nigeria is one country we say all these bad natural disasters they have for other places, like all these hurricane and all these bad things. God no allow them happen to us.
So I need plantain, I need cocoa, I need epa.
Regardless of all the troubles we have, we know how to grow. You know, we always find time to party. Nobody parties like a Nigerian man. Oh, and babe, you understand?
From fashion to entertainment to technology to even academia, Nigeria continues to contribute, and I'm really excited to see what comes out of the country.
This is what gives us hope and makes us believe that tomorrow is going to be wonderful. That is actually a future for us in this country.
God bless Nigeria. Happy Independence.